Good afternoon, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes, Class 8th, Forest Using and Protection. Social subject. Assignment, first question. Few children in school participated in Vanamahotsava program and any planted some sapling. How do you respond to this? Yes, every year in the month of June, year means especially in Telangana region and as well as in Andhra Pradesh, Vanamahotsava is one of the important program and planting of the trees. So the nursery trees and completely and those are and planted aside of the roads or wasted lands, and then and what is that one, the land which is not and used for the cultivation, okay, and then that and lands are banjar lands. So and in that and Vanamahotsava is one of the important and festival in the time of the first week of month of June. And here and 5th June and every year we are celebrating and as a International Environment Day. International Environment Day. Okay. So every year we are celebrating 5th June International Environment Day. So environment is one of the important thing, and in that and first week of June, we are celebrating Vanamahotsava. Vanamahotsava, we are celebrating the 1st June in the month of the first week of the June, we are celebrating Vanamahotsava every year. And in that, then and most of the and time in the and summer vacation and some of the and students and participated and in the and program and but and in the month of when the school reopen and on that time the number of children and participated in the Vanamahotsava. And this question is related, some of the people are already participated in the program, is it right? And then some and other and students are inspired and about that Vanamahotsava program. It is a government program, and then all members and should participate in it. It is our responsible. Is it right? It is our responsible. Right. So every and children or a citizen must grow one plant and protect to it. It is our responsibility and to protect the plant and as well as and to save the plant. Okay, next. And then one more important point is and every citizen and they and must and participate in the Vanamahotsava program. Every person. It is not only for the students, right? And every person and should participate in the Vanamahotsava program, and then and those also and participated in it. Then here and one of the festival, it is called as a festival and in the regional wise. And we are and celebrating as a festival, and it is a Vanamahotsava program is one of the festival, and in them and different types of department heads, and then as well as politicians also participated in it, and then and voluntarily the people also participated in this program. So and it is everywhere, like from village to town and cities and everywhere, and those are conducting different types of programs like Vanamahotsava programs, and then successfully it is and working, and then those are and planted different types of plants in the waste and as well as and besides of the road. Then we'll go to next question, children. find out how the mangrove trees adapt to the special conditions of sea coast. Right, children. Find out and how the mangrove trees adapt to the special conditions of the sea coast. Yes, the sea coast means in the bank of the sea is known as a sea coast. In the bank of the sea is known as sea coast. It is consist with sand and mud and other important and what is that one debris is also completely and occurred in this region, and which are brought by the rivers and other important things, right? And so yeah, and then why and the mangrove trees are and well known in this region, because mangrove trees are one of the important and trees and which are and grow in the bank of the sea or ocean. And then here one more important thing is, and here then it is and completely and what is that one, the land and complete land and affected with the tidal waves, affected by tidal waves, and then one more important thing is the coastal region, especially the coastal regions are and completely and it is and consist with the salt water, right? Salt water, and this and salt water, and then mangrove trees are and very what is that one, their roots are and very long, and it is in a complete and completely protect the and what is that one, the bank of the sea or ocean, especially in the West Bengal. In the West Bengal, and number of and mangrove trees are, it is a place of mangrove trees in the West Bengal in India. So in the West Bengal, the most of the mangrove trees are and well known in this region. In this region, it is in protecting with the tidal waves when the tsunami or then floods, and when those are occurred on that time, it is in a completely protecting to them. Then what are those? The mangrove trees are completely protecting to them. That's why here the mangrove trees are one of the important protected places in the bank of the sea or ocean. And another important thing is then it is one of the important thing, because here the roots are and very lengthy, and those are called breathing roots. Roots are and very and lengthy, means and very deep and portion, and approximately the trees and height is and approximately 30 meters height. 30 meters height. So 30 meters height, and then very and what is that one, and lengthy and roots, and these are and very and helpful in the bank of the sea or ocean. Next we will go to next question, children, that is the third one. The question is, in which year the Parliament passed the Forest Rights Act? Yes. Here, in which year the Parliament passed the Forest Rights Act? You know already what is it? Parliament. Parliament is a place of representatives. place of representatives. So, and the number of and laws are made by, or those are and making, and those means our representatives, right? So yeah, the parliament also complete, because not only and different types of laws and which are and helpful for the public, and then different types of the natural resources also completely protected by the then what is that one, government, right? Government. That's why those are making some of the laws. And in that, especially in the forest Rights Act was passed in 2006. In 2006, Forest Rights Act, actually the forest is a natural resources. It is a public property, right? Public wealth, right? So, and every person and should and protect the forest. That's why the government and prepared one of the and act in that 2006 Forest Rights Act, and prepared by the Parliament national level in 2006. I hope you understood this and assignment. Thank you, children.